Hello YouTube viewers, thank you so much for tuning into my channel today. And what you are looking at here is the entrance of the gigantic dollhouse, which I have added many pieces to, and this all leads up to a balcony that I added to this house. Now this is the gigantic dollhouse that I bought at a community yard sale for $30, and most of you know about it. I'm backing up so that you can see the entire house. It's huge, and I've had to do a few touches to it, but it all worked out. Now let me tell you about this balcony here. Now this is the floor. This is where it all starts. Look at that beautiful flooring leading to the entrance. Now on the sides I have some elephants. These are candle holders. I have two of them. Now they are holding the columns. The columns are from aluminum foil. That is the cardboard cylinder from the aluminum foil, which I wrapped up in a nice gold paper that matches the floor. So these are the supports for the balcony. As you look up, you will see the balcony. The balcony was actually a shelf, and I bought it at a yard sale for 75 cents. Looks brand new. Now the balcony is resting on those two cylinders. And then I added some patio chairs, some plants. These are napkin holders, napkin rings actually. And I just placed a little artificial plant inside and all the way through. Now here at the center, this is supposed to be a sliding door, okay? But it was a window. Originally it was a window. If you look at the house, you see all the windows, right? You see the door. This here was just another window, but I made it a sliding door because it has to lead to this porch here, to this balcony. Now inside here, I also made some additions. I placed a little bracket, two brackets there, to hold any painting that I want to add. So I can easily change that frame right there because of those two brackets that I made. And I added a light. This is like a hidden room in this house because it joins the girls' room. This is the girls' room. It joins it to the master bedroom, which is this one here. See what I'm saying? So this is the adjoining window, which I made into a sliding door. I just took transparency paper. It's transparent. And I took a marker and made some lines to make it look like a sliding door. So yes, that is the hidden area inside of this house. There's the balcony here again. And the columns that support it, leading to the entrance. And look at the beautiful floor. Now to this house I had added other accents. Like for example, you see that blue strip there? That is from a deck of cards. I cut the borders. I cut a few of them out, whatever I needed for this project. And look at how nicely they fit in there, making a round effect. I love the way that came out. I also added to each window a little plastic piece that holds the artificial plant. So each window has that, even the bottom ones. So this is it. This is the balcony, the porch that I had promised you a long time ago. And it's finally here. So I hope that you have enjoyed all the details. I hope that you have enjoyed this video, and thank you so much for watching.